Imagine raising nearly $200 million from Bill Gates, Shell, and Kleiner Perkins, being ranked one of MIT's 50 smartest companies, and then filing for bankruptcy just months later. This is the story of Aquin Energy, the clean energy startup that promised to revolutionize batteries, but instead burned through $200 million in record time. Aquin Energy was founded in 2007 by Jay Whittaker, a materials science professor at Carnegie Mellon University. The company's big idea? Saltwater-based batteries, safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly alternatives to lithium-ion. Investors loved the vision. Aquin raised nearly $200 million from backers like Bill Gates, Kleiner Perkins, and Shell. In 2016, MIT Technology Review ranked Aquin number 5 on its list of the 50 smartest companies. The company was hailed as the future of renewable energy storage, powering microgrids, solar farms, and off-grid communities. On paper, it looked unstoppable. But behind the hype, cracks were forming. Over-reliance on venture capital. Aquin's technology worked, but scaling it required enormous upfront investment. The company was burning cash faster than investors could replenish it. By early 2017, they failed to raise additional funding, cut 80% of staff, and filed for bankruptcy. 2. High production costs. While Aquin's batteries were safe and innovative, they were more expensive than lithium-ion, which was rapidly dropping in price thanks to Tesla and other manufacturers. Competing on cost became impossible. 3. Scaling too fast. Aquin tried to ramp up manufacturing before achieving cost efficiency. They grew too big for venture capital to sustain, but not big enough to attract private equity or government-scale funding. In March 2017, Aquin filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. Later that year, its assets were sold for just $9.2 million to a Chinese affiliate, Juline Titans LC, a fraction of the nearly $200 million invested. The fall was shocking, from being one of the world's smartest companies to liquidation in less than a year. Aquin's story is a cautionary tale. Big investors don't guarantee survival. Hype can't outrun economics. If your product can't compete on cost and scalability, even $200 million won't save you. As one analysis put it, Aquin had grown too big for VCs to keep pumping in cash, but wasn't big enough to attract deeper pockets. Aquin Energy proved that even the smartest ideas can collapse if the business model doesn't work. What do you think? Was this just bad timing, or was the saltwater battery dream doomed from the start? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories of billion-dollar startups that burned bright and burned out.